The chart of the day is presented by Crypto.com, the leading crypto platform trusted by over 100 million users worldwide.
Let's take a look at the chart of the day with special guest Luuk Strijers, CEO of Deribit, the world's leading crypto derivatives market. Hi there, Luuk. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for the invite. Always glad to be here.
So we had a scare on Monday when global stocks and cryptocurrencies dropped, when it was revealed that Chinese startup DeepSeek could make a cheaper AI on par with OpenAI and other American companies. Bitcoin has rebounded since then to about just over $105,000. So based on some of the charts from Deribit, we see open interest by expiration there. What does that tell us about investor sentiment in crypto?
Yeah, we've seen a temporary correction hitting 98K, but a quick recovery afterwards. So we're looking at 105, 106 at the moment. I don't think at least our clients have been scared that much. Overall, we see quite a lot of bullish positioning still. We see a lot of call spreads being traded, a lot of outright calls. So overall, bullish momentum. The basis is positive. So clients are looking forward to what's next. An important moment is coming up tomorrow. So on Deribit, we have daily expiries. So options will expire on a daily basis, weekly, monthly, quarterly basis. Quarterlies are typically the biggest. So that would be March, June, September, December. But the next biggest ones would be the Friday monthly ones, which is coming up tomorrow. So it's always important to look out for the expiry moment, which happens from 7:30 to 8 o'clock UTC. So that's UK time, so 9 a.m. CET. And what happens is that tomorrow, 8.5 billion in notional will expire. So overall, Bitcoin options have around 30 plus billion in open interest. And out of that, 8.5 billion will expire. If you then look at the next expiry, which you can see in the chart, is the March. March is the big one, that's the quarterly, and it's already much bigger than January, so it's already attracting like 11 billion. So, but the next one is expiring tomorrow. So it's an important moment, and traders need to look out for potential volatility when it happens.
Mm-hmm. So watch out for volatility ahead. We also see that open interest by strike price there in Deribit. What kind of forward-looking guidance in crypto market sentiment can we gauge from that?
So typically when you look at these charts, you need to look at the larger outliers. So when trading around 105K at the moment, the next one would be, let's say, within reach. So as I mentioned before, some of the high strikes, even though they might have a lot of open interest, it won't be feasible for the market to reach that level that quickly. But for example, 110K is 4,500 above current levels. Should overnight the market rally a bit more, it might become within reach, and that's when you need to be careful for those levels, because during the expiry, the market might actually see those levels as a magnet. There will be like fights in terms of hedging, market makers, dealer exposure. Everyone has different expectations. So these levels might become relevant. If we're staying at the 105 level, I don't expect a lot of action. It will be, I think, a relatively peaceful expiry. But these charts, which can be downloaded from Deribit.com free of charge, give you real-time access to those levels. So should something happen, also the next expiry is the March, the June, September, all of them are there, and you can see how people are positioning. So if we expire tomorrow, the March one would be the next one to look at. And if you're looking at what the rest of the market is doing to get confirmation of your trade, perhaps, these levels are important. If you're the only one buying a certain strike, you might question your strategy. If it's a very crowded strategy, it's also good to know.
Yeah. I also see the max pain point there. What does that tell us?
Again, max pain is the point of, let's say, least resistance from a dealer perspective. That's where the market makers would like the expiry to happen. But we're already quite far away. So it's like 98,000. When trading at 105, I don't think it's a relevant level anymore. Should the max pain be, let's say, 103, it would have become a focus area. But today it's too far away. So normally, if markets don't move that much, and we have seen a sizable rally, of course, these levels are attracting traders, but now it's too far away. So I don't think it's relevant today.
All right, Luuk, Thank you so much. And folks, you can see more of Deribit CEO Luuk Strijers at Consensus by CoinDesk in Hong Kong, February 18th to the 20th. He is also one of CoinDesk's most influential. You can read more on CoinDesk.com.
Thank you.